Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm ITEE राठौर और आज हम करेंगे ये वाला look, सीखेंगे. I will share with you how I achieve this look. और चूँकि festivals आ रहे हैं बहुत सारे, इसके लिए I thought I'm going to film this look. और don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel because it's free of cost. And thank you. Let's get right into the video. So I'm going to prime my face with L'Oreal Base Magic Primer with my Real Technique buffing brush. I am not using my fingers today because this brush is cleaner. This primer minimizes your pores and takes that oily look away. Instead of foundation, I'm using LAKME 925cc cream mixed with a little bit of, tiny bit of Maybelline Fit Me concealer because I don't want full coverage and I don't like to hide my natural skin too much, because when I take my makeup off, I want my kids and my husband to recognize me at least, and plus it looks natural also. So I'm buffing that mixture onto my skin with Real Technique buffing brush. Buff roughly onto your hairline because otherwise you will see the difference. And you don't want to look like you're wearing a mask on Halloween. So keep buffing, 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 neck and ears. Don't forget those areas because they look different in pictures then. Yep, 5 years later I'm still buffing, and then only you can achieve that natural look onto your lids and everything. And my hand is tired now. Brush. Eyebrows are naturally thick, so I don't need much work, so I'm quickly going to just brush them and fill them a little, and I will be right back. So I'm going to do contour today, full blown. So for contouring I'm using flat foundation brush from Body Shop because of the precision that I want. And this is a dark foundation color, that's it. You can get contour sticks from so many brands now. I don't have a contour stick, so I'm using a dark foundation color. And I'm going to just put that line on my cheekbone, right on my cheekbone. And my jawline. And my chin because I have a little cliff there. Real Technique buffing brush again to blend everything and just blend it upwards. That's the only trick to it. You're going to blend it upwards, keep buffing it onto your skin, keep pressing it in your skin like so. And this is not going to look unnatural. That's the best part because मैंने बहुत ही थोड़ा सा लगाया है. So this is, trust me, this is a very less contouring that I'm doing, and it is going to look very natural. Gently, whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to just line it on my nose. And there you go. I'm going to put some powder on my face. This is inglot loose powder, and to keep that oil away and make my makeup last longer. Just press everything onto your skin on my T-zone because it's the area where I get the most, oily, around my nose. And this way I'm going to use a lot of it, and then later I'm going to brush it off, as I told you how to keep oil at bay in one of my videos that I made for oily skin. So this is the same technique that I'm using. This is the LAKME 925 Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette. There are no names for these eyeshadows, but I'm going to use this particular color as my transition shade on my lid. And I'm going to place it over my crease because today I am going to make my small eyes look bigger. And this technique that I'm going to show you is going to make my eyes look bigger. So what I'm doing here is I'm just running this brush gently over my crease like so. And the same color I'm going to run down on my lower lash line to form uniformity. You know that I do it, and you should too. I'm going to take a flat color bar eyeshadow brush with which I am placing MAC PAINTPOT name Soft Ochre on my lids, only on the center. Alright, and इतना ही करना है आपको. This is how you're going to place it, and this brush gives me better control, so that's why I use a flat brush. So this technique is, I recently started doing this technique because I wanted to do a different eye shape, and this makes my eyelid look really big. So play this video whenever you're wearing eyeshadow and you want to make your eyes look bigger. Just apply it in the center. कोई खास difficult नहीं है वो, देख सकते हैं आप, थोड़ा सा control, and that is all. Now I'm going to cover the lines, the rough lines that you see of that paint pot with a darker shade. This is dark brown Smashbox eyeshadow. You just place it again roughly. धीरे से आपको just cover those lines. That is it. And by the way, instead, अगर आपके पास में ये MAC paint pot नहीं है, तो you can also use concealer. That comes very handy and easy to use too. Now I'm just going to blend everything with my blending brush, Krylon blending brush, and just soften the edges. There is no eyeshadow on this brush, and like so you're just going to mix everything and blend everything really well. Look at that, it has already given my eyelid so much space to put a lot of color. Now I am using inglot glitter dust. It is in golden copper color, and I'm just going to press it on my lids exactly where I placed that paint pot, or if you're using concealer, that is also fine. And like so, you're just going to place it. The color also shows more when you put concealer or that paint pot over your lid. This is a Maybelline felt tip eyeliner. I'm going to put eyeliner very roughly. You don't need to be an expert to do this, because as it is, we are going to wear false eyelashes, so eyeliner won't show. Some lashes on, and I will be right back. So I'm using Sephora Colorful blush, and they don't have a specific name on it. I bought it because it looks natural, and with this look natural pink, you know, I don't want anything heavy on my face because there's already a lot of color and lash going on. Look at those eyes, they look so much bigger than my natural eye shape. Taking my Jackie and Lauren highlighter palette, and I'm going to take this golden shade, give my eyes a little pop of golden color, the inner corner of the eye, the brow bone is going to add that glow to my face. And later I'm going to put it all over my face, the same color, with my fan brush. I don't remember the brush from which company it is because it is quite old, the name is gone. That we are done with the face, we are going to wear lipstick, and I'm going to start with my Color Bar brown lip liner and line my lips. So this one's Inglot 114, and this is champagne color. I use it whenever I have to use a nude color. This goes with my skin tone, and there you go. Lipsticks are so much fun. Look at that. And now I am going to use AA7 Apricot Gold MAC. Padma Lakshmi collaborated with MAC and came up with this color, and it is lovely. I wear it with peaches also. So that is all. Lipstick's done. I'm going to dab my face with more powder since I have very oily skin, and that is all. So this is the final look. Wear it on the festivals that are coming up, and face is very naturally glowing. Lipstick is not too dark. Eyes are bigger. That was it. I hope you like the video. बहुत ज़्यादा complicated नहीं है. You can pause the video and then keep watching it while you do it. और all I can say is कि दिखता मुश्किल है, but once you slap some falsies on, these lashes on, आपकी सारी गलतियाँ छूट जाएंगी. थोड़ा blending पे ध्यान दें, और बाकी क्या, I would say कि एक अच्छी eyelash आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं खुद के लिए, बिकॉज इट इज़ एन इन्वेस्टमेंट. और जो भी लुक करेंगे उसके ऊपर थोड़ा ग्लिटर लगाया, eyelash लगाया, एंड यू लुक लाइक अ $1 million बेबी. एंड सो दैट वाज इट. बहुत बहुत आप सबको शुभकामनाएं और सुख शांति और गुड हेल्थ दे भगवान आप सबको इन त्योहारों पे, और बरकत दे. दिस इज़ मी साइनिंग ऑफ.